The curriculum management system aims to produce a consistent, efficient, and updated curriculum. It supports course review processes and collects important data for continuous improvement. When you click on a particular college or school, you should be able to access all the courses offered by that college and the courses associated with that course. If you are designated as the administrator for this page, you can add authors who can edit the curriculum. Once syllabus are approved, no further changes are possible until the dean of the college, or his/her designee, initiates the next course review cycle. The faculty member teaching the course can add his/her information, including name, title, office hours, and contact information. The syllabus for a particular course offered in a semester will remain the same for all sections. The CMS university administrator can create colleges and assign an administrative team to each college, including deans, associate deans, course authors, secretaries, and administrative assistants. The designated college administrator can add college-related information, create programs, courses, modules. At program level, the system allows adding the program learning outcomes for core components and concentrations of the program. If the program includes an industry certification, the name of the certification and provider details can be added. The course author can map the program learning outcomes to the specific learning outcomes of the course, including the weekly course schedule, assessment, and industry certification. The digital syllabus is developed based on various accreditations, pedagogical approaches, and theories of instructional design. It includes the following sections. The course information section contains important information such as course code, title, prerequisites, additional prerequisites, credit hours, lecture and lab hours, and course start date. In the course description section, you can add not only text, but also multimedia content such as videos and graphics. Course learning outcomes, CLOs. In this section, the course author can add the CLOs. Each CLO can be assigned to the corresponding program learning outcomes via the drop-down menu. Both the core and concentration CLOs are displayed in the drop-down menu. The system analyzes the text from COL and displays the level of floral taxonomy that matches the CLOs entered. This allows the author to ensure that the CLOs address the correct taxonomy level. Assessment section. Here the author sets the assessment strategy for the course. For each assessment, the author selects the appropriate assessment tool from a drop-down menu, provides a description of the assessment, identifies the CLOs targeted by that assessment, the assessment part component used to assess achievement of the CLO, PLO, and the assessment weighting. Rubrics can also be linked to the assessment section. In the certification section, you can link the program certificate to the specific CLOs of the course. The weekly plan section allows the author to add a weekly lesson plan that includes the topics covered each week, learning resources, activities, CLOs, and teaching methods. The hardware section allows you to list hardware requirements, labs, manuals, and tutorials. In this section, you can also add multimedia content such as videos. In the software section, the author can select one or more softwares from a drop-down menu. This section reads the software from the university's software database. When the syllabus are finalized and published, the student can click on the name of the software and get more information, such as where to find it, how to install it, and some tutorials. If the course uses software that is not listed in the software list, the author can include it in the Other Software section. The pedagogy section is used to suggest to other teachers and students the best pedagogical approaches that can support the delivery of the course. In the section Online Activities, you can list the online activities that the participants should engage with during the course. One of the great features of the CMS is the ability to link textbooks and references directly from the online book database and provide them with consistent references. The system also links to the other old reference book. The student can also click on the textbook to access the online version. Articles can be linked via the DOI of the article. The author can also add additional references and learning materials by using the Additional References and Learning Materials section. General instructions, guidelines, and policies used by the university to regulate curricula, learning, and the assessment process, including attendance, the grading system, and academic integration, can be added in a separate section and are automatically added to each syllabus. Once approved, syllabus are locked until the next review cycle. Lecturers and students can access an online version or download a PDF version. Teachers can link syllabus to the learning management system and always have access to an up-to-date version. The system can generate various types of reports, including PLO/CLOs mapping, assessment reports, feedback from students and lecturers, documentation of interpretation of feedback, actions taken, and changes to curricula. Other reports can be generated depending on the needs of the institution.